Transform your bathroom into a stylish and sophisticated retreat with the Scudo Ella Twilight Blue Floor Cabinet with Basin 500mm. Its impressive twilight blue finish is guaranteed to catch the eye and make a statement in any modern bathroom. The soft closed drawers ensure a gentle, quiet closing, avoiding slams and nipped fingers. Installation is effortless because the bathroom vanity unit comes fully assembled. No more worries about damp or humid conditions. The Scudo Ella cabinet is made from moisture-resistant materials, making it ideal for use in any bathroom environment. The floor-standing design of this vanity unit means no installation headaches. You won't need to drill holes in your tiles or worry about the unit weight. It stays on the floor and fits flush to the wall, ensuring no unsightly pipes are visible. Enhance your bathroom with the Scudo Ella Twilight Blue Floor Cabinet with Basin 500mm today and experience luxury and style like never before. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo bathroom furniture range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.